Hi guys, it's the 30th of December 2021 and I have another Crochet Society box, which I think makes 2 in 1 month. I think we're now back on track in terms of their shipping schedule, so this is box 31. It's got to be 31, right? So we're going to get it open. It's a very nice light pink. Just checking because there was a hole in the packaging, but I think we're all good. So this is box 31 from Crochet Society. It's a very nice light pink. It's like a cloudy background with the rose gold spots on there. So warm and cozy. Warm and cozy. So let's have a look then, shall we, as to what we've got. It's a very similar theme to the Christmas box, so box 30. Oh, this sticker's really sticky. Ooh. So we've got gigantic ball of stuffing and DK recycled Stylecraft. So it says recreate 100% recycled yarn. It's this really nice dusty rose colour, and it's got like flecks of other colours in there as well. So it is 40% wool, 30% acrylic and 30% polyester, of which is all recycled. 350 meters. It is a DK weight and requires a 4mm hook or needles to use. This has got to be a new yarn. I haven't seen this yet, so that's really nice. There's a big ball of stuffing, so we know what that means. And we have a little tape measure with a little cup of cocoa on there. And it's got a button at the back. So one tape measure. We have 3.5mm hook, which goes from pinky peach at one end to blue on the other end. I'm sure we've had this size and this style of colour before, so I'll have to check. There's a pair of snips. So the idea is that the lid keeps them closed, and then you just pinch to snip. And I think, is that a hole? No. So they're really handy. So actually they might go in with the current project I'm working on, because then you don't have to worry about the scissors getting caught in the yarn and snipping it by accident if you're just throwing a pair of scissors in your bag. That keeps them nice and tidy and safe. There's a little drawstring bag in here. I'm just going to get the rest of the fluff off of it from the stuffing. It says Bella Coco Yarn Tidies. It's this little drawstring bag. Oh, it's like a mini scrunchie. It's got a little stitch marker on there, which is like a little pearl. So that's really sweet for that one. There's more than one though. There is a blue version, again with another pearl. I think they're glass pearls. Oh, there's more than, there's a light blue. And there is a light pink. So there are 4, all with their own glass pearl. There's a stitch marker, so that's really sweet. Oh, everything seems to be in this little pouch this time. So we have a little bobble hat for our stitch marker, That's really sweet. And these have got to be safety eyes. Yeah, got a little pouch with safety eyes. So I'm going to pop everything back in there just for now. I'm going to put the tape measure in there as well. It's quite a handy little bag actually. Pop all that together. So let's have a look at the book then for this month. I'm going to put the box to one side just so I don't have to keep leaning on it to hold it in place. And on the front we have this cute little elephant. He's really sweet. So let's see what we've got. So, to your snowy and snuggly crochet society box. Is there a better way to spend a snow day than cozied up in a chair crocheting? Pull up your project basket and get your hook ready to crochet the day away. This box features everything you need to have the perfect day hiding from the chilly weather. Which is pretty much what I have been doing since, I don't know, Christmas Eve. Just sitting on my sofa crocheting, all snuggled up and cozy. So we have, the elephant is called Blossom. There is a bag called Dainty Doubles, and then there are some coasters as well in this box. So those are our 3 patterns for this month, all using the same yarn. So I don't know if you can get, I would expect you to be able to do the elephant and maybe a coaster from one ball, but we'll have a look at the instructions. There's a tea and chat with Alison North, who is this amigurumi artist. And she is Cornflake Stew on Instagram. So she has designed the elephant for this month's project. So that's really sweet. Doesn't say how much of the yarn it will use. So we'll have a look. So we've got a page that shows us everything that's in our box for this month. Okay, so Recycle Revival. So this month's yarn is the Stylecraft Recreate, and there are several different shades already for this yarn. So you've got a cherry, ink, rose, smoke, sky, Dijon, ecru and charcoal. So those are our, what's that, 8 shades for the new Recreate yarn. We then have the Cozy Coasters. So these are by Hannah Cross, who is Hanjan Crochet on Instagram. They're quite nice. They're like little mandalas. So you could even use the excess yarn from the Advent Cowl to work those up. That would be really sweet. Then we have Blogstar. 30 top tips from the Blogstar. Oh, okay, so it's 30 little hints and tips on how to perfect your crochet and what's going to help you. So there's 2 sets of pages for that. The next pattern is Dainty Doubles Purse. So this is by Noorain Nizami, who is Noor's Knits. So it's a little bag. And we are back to seeing people's makes. So we've got your makes page. So there's a couple of flamingos on here. There's a couple of cushions, a shawl, a hat, bag, and a mandala as well. So it's really nice to see how everyone is working up the project from the boxes, and whether they're using the same yarn from the box or whether they're using something different. Oh no, that's my kind of box. So we've got a little sneak peek as to what the next box is. And it's got diamonds on it. That's going to be really cool. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's in next month's box. So that is due, doesn't say when it's due. I think that's the January box then. And as always, we have our abbreviations, our little cheat sheet on the back of the book as well. So let's get everything back in the box, shall we? So we've got our big ball of stuffing. I've put all of the little accessories back in that little bag, so nice and tidy. We've got our hook, our scissors, and we've got a nice new ball of Stylecraft yarn. I'm looking forward to trying the yarn. I'm not sure any of the patterns really speak to me. Possibly the coasters, but I think I will use some leftovers from the advent for those, just to use that up, and maybe find something else for this yarn. I think what I need to do is get a bag to put all the stuff in because we seem to be getting a lot of stuff in at the moment for all the different amigurumi projects, which is great. So yeah, I'm not sure this is a box for me. It's a very pretty box, but it's nice to see something new. And we haven't had the recycled yarn before. We've had the Berger de France, which is recycled, but this is a new one from Stylecraft, so it's really nice to see and to try that out as well. So as always, I'm not sponsored or endorsed or affiliated in any way. I just buy the subscription and like to share with you my reaction to opening the box each month. So yeah, if you'd like to get your hands on your own, I'll put all the details down below for you as I do each month. And yeah, there are others out there. It's not just Crochet Society. There are also lots of other different varying types of subscription boxes you can get. This is just the one that I have chosen to subscribe to. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye.